नमस्ते सभी को, स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों को साथ फिनेक्स कैपिटल लिमिटेड रिपोर्ट्स Q3 फाइनेंशियल ईयर 26 फाइनेंशियल रिजल्ट विच कंटिन्यू लॉसेस डिस्पाइट रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ। Fynx Capital Limited reported Q3 financial year 26 results showing the significant revenue growth to raise 157.30 lakhs from raise 4.28 lakhs in the previous year, but continue losses with net loss after tax of raise 81.80 lakhs. 9-month performance show total income of raise 300.73 lakhs against raise 15.93 lakhs previously, with net losses of raise 205.20 lakhs. The company equity capital increased to raise 2,000 lakhs and EPS improved despite continuous losses. Fynx Capital Limited, formerly known as the Rajath Finance Limited, has announced it is the unaudited financial result for the quarter and 9 months ended December 31, 2025. In compliance with the SEBI regulation, the company published this result in the Press Journal and Navshakti newspaper on January 31, 2026. Financial performance and overview. The company financial performance for Q3 financial year 2026 show mixed result with significant revenue growth but continued losses. Despite operational improvement, the company faced challenges in achieving profitability during the report period. Q3 result analysis. Q3 financial year 26, Q2 financial year 2026. Metric that income from operation raised 157.30 lakhs, raised 94.75 lakhs. Net loss Q3 financial year 2026 89.27 lakhs. Q2 financial year 2026 69.02 lakhs। और Q3 आप लोगों ने देखा और सेल्स आप लोगों ने देखा। The company demonstrated remarkable revenue growth with total income from operation surging to raise 157.30 lakhs in Q3 financial year 2026 from raise 4.28 lakhs in the corresponding quarter of the previous year. However, this growth was accompanied by increased losses with net loss after tax expanding to raise 81.80 lakhs compared to raise 44.79 lakhs in Q3 फाइनेंशियल ईयर 25। और ये 9 मंथ का परफॉर्मेंस आप लोगों ने देखा।